In today's video, I am going to talk to you about the steps that you should highly consider after forming an LLC for your Amazon business ventures. So you probably clicked on this video because you're in the process of deciding whether or not you should register an LLC for your Amazon business, and you would like to learn a little bit more about the steps that you should do after registering an LLC. Hi, my name is Andrew. I'm an attorney here at Mulai Law, where we help entrepreneurs just like you start your businesses without dealing with the complicated legal forms. Our done-for-you service is backed by over 2,300 five-star Google reviews, and we can help you start your business too. So you're probably considering entering the Amazon business world because you heard that Amazon might be profitable. Well, if that's a conclusion that you came to, you are absolutely right. Amazon is the biggest business for entrepreneurs, and many of the individuals that I speak to on a daily basis have questions about starting an Amazon business. One of the main reasons why Amazon is so huge is because the growth is limitless. In other words, if you get into the Amazon business world, your potential and your growth and your ability to succeed is limitless. Amazon has helped many entrepreneurs gain that financial freedom. And so today I want to go ahead and talk about the steps that you should consider doing after registering an LLC. Now, as you know, registering an LLC for your Amazon business has its major perks. One, you're able to separate your personal from your business liabilities. You're able to build your reputation, and you're able to save on taxes. And so in this video, I want to go ahead and help you better understand the steps that you should consider taking after forming an LLC. First step that you're going to want to highly consider is what sort of tax liabilities are you going to have. I understand that Amazon is completely online, that all types of sales, all types of communications with clients will all be done on the internet. However, it is important that you understand what sort of tax liabilities you may have. In order to get a better grasp on the type of tax liabilities that you'll have for your Amazon business, I do recommend that you speak with a business accountant, a CPA, who would be able to evaluate your situation and provide you with a little bit more clarity and guidance as to your tax responsibilities. The reason why I stress this point and that I suggest that you speak with an accountant is because you want to make sure that your business, specifically your Amazon business, is bringing in profits and you're benefiting from that, and not all of it is being spent on having to pay for taxes. You want to make sure that you have that perfect balance where you're still building your business, you're still succeeding, you're still making a profit while maintaining your tax responsibilities. So, as I mentioned earlier, I highly suggest that after forming an Amazon LLC, you speak with a business tax accountant. Now, the next point I am going to talk about is actually related to taxes. As an LLC owner, you now have the ability to be taxed as a sole proprietorship. This basically means that any sort of income that you make from your Amazon business passes through to your personal income, which means come tax season, you'll be able to calculate any sort of Amazon business taxes along with your personal taxes. That is one of the major benefits of having an LLC, is that you're taxed as a sole proprietor. Now, one of the most common questions I run into in my daily practice is, should I be taxed as a single member or should I be taxed as a multi-member? Again, when forming an LLC, you can either be 100% owner, which means that you'll have an LLC taxed as a single member, you'll be taxed as a sole proprietor, or you can have an LLC with multiple members, which means that your LLC will be taxed as a multi-member LLC. Now, in determining which option is best for you, really comes down to that conversation that you have with that CPA, with that business tax accountant. Being taxed as a sole proprietorship may be more beneficial than being taxed as a multi-member LLC, and vice versa. Being taxed as a multi-member LLC may be more beneficial than being taxed as a single-member sole proprietor. It all depends on your business situation, and as I mentioned earlier, it is very important to speak with a tax professional who can provide you with the guidance and the clarity that you're looking for. If you happen to have any questions about the steps that you should take after forming an Amazon LLC, make sure you click the link in the description box below to book your free call with a professional who will be able to guide you and provide you with more information as to the steps that you should take after forming a LLC for your Amazon business. If you happen to enjoy this video, please make sure you hit the like, subscribe, and bell notification so you don't miss out on any future videos. Hitting the like, subscribe, and bell notification really helps our channel out and allows us to reach out to even more entrepreneurs who may have the same questions as you do. With that being said, you know what time it is. It's time to invest in yourself. It's time to rise. If you would like to learn more about business startups, LLCs, corporations, DBAs, go ahead and click one of these videos here. See you in the next video.